Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your shopping cart with BigCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your shopping cart with BigCommerce, log into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the storefront section in your dashboard. From there, click on My Themes to access your current theme settings. Select Customize to enter the theme editor. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Cart. You will see various settings related to the shopping cart. First, review the cart settings for visibility options. Ensure that the cart is enabled for both mobile and desktop views. Next, check if the cart icon is displayed on your storefront. If it's not visible, adjust the settings to ensure it appears. Then, look for the button that allows customers to view the cart. Test the button functionality to see if it leads to the correct cart page. Next, proceed to check the functionality of the cart itself. Add a product to your cart from your storefront. Observe if the cart updates correctly with the product details. If the cart doesn't update, return to the theme customizer and check for any scripts that may be affecting it. Look for settings related to Ajax functionality. Ensure that Ajax is enabled for seamless cart updates. If you experience any issues, consider consulting the BigCommerce support documentation. You may also want to check for any recent app installations that could cause conflicts. After adjustments, save your changes in the theme editor. Return to your storefront and test the shopping cart again. If needed, clear your site cache to ensure all changes are reflected. Finally, review the customer checkout experience to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.